So today we're at the shop. We're gonna get this OBS carpet installed. One of the homies just bought it yesterday. Pretty clean. C71 4x4, all original. We're gonna replace the carpet because it's pretty dirty. All the pieces. Already took it apart, gave it a little vacuum. So my boy's cleaning all the pieces right here. We got the carpet. This is the back piece right here. Getting it measured. Yeah, this is a big main piece for the inside. So we're about to do that. And we already got the front door ones. We already got the front door ones wrapped, pretty clean. Compared to the old material, which is a piece right there. Alright, there you have it, guys. New carpet in the OBS. Back panels and front panels. We just pretty much got to bowl everything back up and we'll be done. It's a wrap. Next is headliner, windshield, fix his door panel, clean up the seats, maybe do the 454 bucket seats, we'll see. And some new wheels. So here's the Denali bumper for the black truck. So today we're going to be swapping in some black Denali leather seats into my 07 GMC Sierra. Here's the seats. And I'm debating whether I should throw in the center console as well. I'm going to test fit it, see how it looks, but it's going to be going in there. Alright guys, so you remove the front bolts, which are 15s, the rear ones are 12s, and then also the seat belts, I believe is a T50 torque bit, and then you just pop it out, and you're good. After that you just remove the whole seat and do the same thing to the other side. Now that we take out the seats, we're going to probably clean it up a bit, and then test for our positive, and then wire up the seats. So we put the center console in. And I think it's gonna be this center console to keep. So on this one, you get the two red and white wires, the thick one and the other small one, and then your negative, obviously, connect them, and then you do the same thing to these ones in here. Run them and everything. We'll hook them up, put your seat in, and you're all good to go. All right, so driver's side's in, all wired up and everything. All the controls work. Forward, back, leaning it. So, yep, let it go. Everything, OEM. Connect everything up, put everything back together, and we're done. So there you go, fully installed, all working. Center console and everything. Suede headliner. There you go. Full Denali interior. Leather seats for the center console. Probably end up putting something here later on. Little power.